Hello viewers. Welcome to a new tour guide. Today we will about how to get into the state of California in the United States of America. This is the third episode. You can watch our first, second episodes and check the I button if you want. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, so let's go. Get in by plane in California. San Francisco International Airport and Los Angeles International Airport are the most popular entry points with a wide variety of flights from Europe, East Asia, India, Oceania, Latin America, and from various cities in the US on a variety of US and foreign flags carriers. To a lesser extent, there are also direct flights from the Middle East like Israel, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, UAE to Los Angeles. They are, however, also the most crowded, and the SFOLAX route is one of the busiest air corridors in the world, causing frequent delays due to congestion. Delays at San Francisco Airport due to fog are also somewhat common. If coming from within the US and Mexico, other alternate airports in California are less crowded and may be closer to your final destination. They are 1. Los Angeles area. Hollywood Burbank Airport in Burbank, which is closest to Hollywood, and downtown Los Angeles John Wayne Airport in Orange County, which is closest to Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm. Ontario Airport in Ontario is most comparable to Joshua Tree, Death Valley, and the Inland Empire Deserts, and a small airport in Long Beach Airport in Long Beach, the West Coast hub for JetBlue Airlines. 2. San Francisco Bay Area. Oakland Airport in Oakland, which is closer to downtown San Francisco than SFO, and San Jose Airport in San Jose. Both San Francisco and Oakland Airport are now connected to the local metro network, barred while Caltrain connects San Jose via a free shuttle to the Santa Clara station. 3. Sacramento Airport in Sacramento. 4. Reno Airport in Reno, Nevada, is closer to the Lake Tahoe area than Sacramento. 5. Las Vegas Airport in Las Vegas, Nevada, closer to Death Valley NP. 6. Fresno Airport in Fresno, closest to Yosemite NP. 7. San Diego Airport in San Diego. 8. Palm Springs. 9. Santa Barbara. 10. Tijuana Airport in Tijuana. If coming from Mexico, it may be more advantageous to fly to Tijuana on a domestic flight and then cross into San Diego by ground transportation than on an international flight to San Diego, Los Angeles, or other cities further north. From San Diego, you can continue north to the San Francisco Bay Area, Las Vegas, Phoenix, or wherever in the US you are continuing to. See by plane under the Get Around section for more information. Get in by train in California. Amtrak serves several routes into and out of California. Suppose you are going to Los Angeles from the Central Valley. In that case, you might have to change to a bus for the last part of the trip, as the only railway connection between the Central Valley and Los Angeles is also one of the busiest freight lines in the USA. Plans to build a new high-speed rail line to link San Francisco and Los Angeles are underway, but completion is not scheduled before the late 2020s. The following Amtrak routes serve California and terminate in Los Angeles or Emeryville. 1. The California Zephyr runs daily between Chicago and Emeryville with connections in Omaha, Denver, Provo, Salt Lake City, and Reno, Lake Tahoe. This train also stops in the Sierra Nevada and the Sacramento Valley or Roseville, Sacramento, Davies, and Martinez. Emeryville is the nearest Amtrak station to downtown San Francisco. Passengers transfer to the Amtrak Thruway bus to continue across the bay to San Francisco. 2. The Coast Starlight runs daily between Los Angeles and Seattle via Portland, Klamath Falls, Redding, San Francisco Bay Area, Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo, and Oxnard. 3. The Southwest Chief runs from Chicago via Kansas City, Albuquerque, Flagstaff, Williams Junction nearest stop to the Grand Canyon, and Kingman to Los Angeles. It also makes stops in the Mojave Desert, Needles, Barstow, and Victorville, the Inland Empire of Riverside and San Bernardino, and Orange County or Fullerton, and on its way into Los Angeles. 4. The Sunset Limited runs from New Orleans via Houston, San Antonio, El Paso, Tucson, and Yuma 3 times a week. Amtrak's Texas Eagle service between San Antonio and Chicago incorporates the Sunset Limited to directly connect to Los Angeles with the same stops as the Sunset Limited. This train also stops in the Inland Empire or Pomona, Ontario, and Palm Springs. Train services are limited to 2 token lines with hardly any real transport value in Mexico. There are no passenger rail services anywhere near the US-Mexican border from anywhere in Mexico. Get in by bus in California. Many bus companies operate services in California. Service is most frequent along the interstates from large cities in neighboring states. See by bus under Get Around below for a list of bus companies serving the state. Get in by road in California. All major road entrances to California have agricultural inspection stations to ensure that some fruits and vegetables do not cross into a region where they may contact the farms in the Central Valley. Often, travelers are subject to border inspection and asked if they have been on a farm or carry organic matter. This is all about the 3rd episode. Thank you for watching this video entirely. If you want, you can watch our other tour guides about the USA. Then you can visit our channel. If you like this video, I will say again, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.